Devin up here in the back, and today I got the new Sony WH-XB910N. Okay, we gonna call these the Sony Extra Bass. Boom. Sony Extra Bass headphones. That's what we're gonna call these. Okay, so we're gonna unbox these, try them on, listen to some sound. And I'm gonna let you guys listen to some sound. You know, I got my microphone right here. Go over some specs, and yeah, let's get into it. So I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it started, and thanks for watching. Hey.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die.
We got a Sony Extra Bass, 30 hours of active noise cancellation. Wow. So nice battery life right there with active noise cancellation on. Okay, you got a lot of specs. Cool, I like that. Options, okay? You know I love my options, man. Come on, man. Give them options, man. Alright, so you got the headphones itself. You got the headphones right here. Look, you got a few little special stuff here and there. We'll go over later. And it comes with the case. Fold them in there. I like that. I like that. Alright. Extra bass for impressively deep and punchy sound. Hey, don't punch me now. Sony's excellent noise cancellation and ambient sound mode. 10-minute charge plays 4.5 hours. 10 minutes. 10 minutes of charging plays 4.5 hours. F dot. If you know that's from. Multi-point connection allows you to pair with two Bluetooth enabled devices at the same dang time. I'm done. Hard case for carrying headset and supply cables. Music playback time with noise cancellation on, 30 hours. Music playback time with noise cancellation off, 50 hours. Dang. 10 minutes charge plays 4.5 hours. Hands-free phone calls, voice assistant function, USB Type-C cable, headphone cable, and a carrying case. Yeah, y'all thought I was gonna do it, huh? I ain't gonna do it. F that. Oh snap, yo, look at the box. Look at the quality box. Yo, that's a nice quality right there. Man, like, you know, you bought something nice when it comes like this. So when you first open it up, it's telling you to get the app. And then you got the carrying case itself. 360 free trial music service. If y'all want it, you're welcome. Limited warranty. And directions. Alright, so here it is, the Sony carrying case. Got an extra bass. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. So we got the headphone jack right here. Okay. Then we got the USB Type-C cable. Okay. And then we got the headphones itself. Nice cushion. You know, nice cushion up top. You know, decent quality right here. Look like there's some resistance right here because it's not, you know, it's not fully painted. You can kind of see some, you see that little like groove and stuff like that. I think these are some resistance of some sort. I'm not really sure, but it's pretty nice. I like it. Nice design, nice quality. It's plasticky, but it's tough. So it's like a hard plastic. You know what I'm saying? It's not normal plastic. It's that high quality plastic. Okay, I see. All right. Nah, I think this is some organic kind of recyclable design. I believe. I could be wrong. But anyway, yeah, so the ear muffs are very cushiony, really nice. You can feel the jazz and glitz and stuff inside here, inside the muffs, and on the outside you got the buttons and functions, and also the touchless function right here, as you guys seen earlier. So let's go through it. Headphone jack, charger, power button, and after noise cancellation right here, and that little piece right here, this little thing, the Bluetooth feature, the Bluetooth function. So without further ado, let's turn it on. All right, so now it's on. Looking for something to pair with. Let's get it started. All right, here we go. So they actually have a left and a right. See, left, right. I don't know headphones. They're headphones. I don't think it matters, but okay. Whoa, these feel nice. The noise cancellation's off. Let me go turn it on. Whoa. Whoa, I can't hear nothing. Yo. Yo, these are nice. All right, there we go. Oh, these are nice. Dang. I can't hear nothing. All right, we gotta play some music now. What are we playing, y'all? I wish I was here to help me out, give me some options. All right, then I got. All right, that's Mr. Amigo straightening. You know, I gotta get that bass in, you know what I'm saying? All right, now it's your turn. Let me put these on here. All right, and we're gonna listen to some music. What should I play for y'all? Some non-copyright-ish, right? Alright, so let's go over the specs. The price is gonna be $249. Have active noise cancellation, really nice, really good. Super good bass, super good. Battery life up to 30 hours with AMC without 50. 10 minutes of charging give you 4.5 hours. It has voice assistance, so it works with Alexa, Google, Siri, whoever you want to work with. And that's all I really got to say about it. They're really nice. They have a playback feature on the right side. So, you know, if you want to change it to how it is, you can. But, you know, if you tap it once, play, tap it twice, next, 3 times, reverse, you know, the simple playback options on any headphones, how it is. So, you know, you have that option too. Pretty much these headphones are great, does a lot of things, great resistance, great quality, and I think you're really satisfied with these. Lastly, we got to mention, you can bend these, very bendable, you can put them away, and come with a carrying case, as you guys already know. All right, so what y'all think about the Sony headphones, the WH-XB910N joints, you know what I'm saying? Them joints is nice, I like them. You guys should definitely cop them, the $249. Christmas coming soon, Black Friday coming up, you know what I'm saying? Hey, get them joints. Whoever you gonna get them to would definitely like them. Good replacements, good whatever. They're Sony, you have different things you can hook them up to. You can hook them up to two. You can hook them up to 2 things, so phone, computer, whatever you want to. But all right, y'all, it's Devin up. I'm out. What y'all think about the Sony headphones? Yeah, I got it. Let me know down below how it is. I'm really curious on what y'all think about these, because I like them. But I'm out. Thanks for watching. I got goals today. You got goals today. Y'all stay safe out there. Keep watching, keep rocking. I appreciate it. Peace.